Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Chris here, and we're gonna do Watch Dogs video with John. So go check out his channel. So he's gonna be playing it too. So yeah, let's play.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? I'm Chris's channel. Go check out my channel, JCM Fam. We do really cool gameplay videos. I always start off my double videos a lot of the times by doing a voiceover with my camera. So I start off by doing a face cam, and then we get into the game as I just edit. So now what we're going to be doing is getting changed into something pretty dope.
Okay.
Like,
So I'm in the game. Well, actually, my thing is loading. So just send me invite. I'll tell you when I'm in.
okay. Just wait one sec.
My thing is still loading. So it's so annoying. Okay, we're here. So yeah. And by the way, guys, if I didn't get the audio for the Madden 17, I'm so stupid. I uploaded already, and I didn't put on my live commentary. I'm so stupid. Okay, so John, invite me.
Alright, I just want to see what our good track is to do.
Well, dude, invite me. Or do you want me to invite you?
I'll invite you.
Okay.
Let's see. Multiplayer. Don't copy any of the gamer tags, guys. And if you do, don't spam them, please. Oh, wait, no, I pressed join game. I don't want to join your game.
I'm gonna stun the girl. I'm gonna stun gun the girl. She's not even looking. Oh, right in the head.
Wait, what did you just say?
I said I just stun gun that girl. Hey, what up?
What up, bro?
Oh, and guys, we both have the Lamborghini because we bought it from the car on demand. I mean, the car shop.
So I'm going to travel to the Axel Portal shop. I know I said that wrong.
Wait, do you have the cops on you?
No, I don't have cops on me. I have cops on me.
That's good. Okay, I'm gonna get a car on demand.
Want to get late? I think I know where I have to. Dude, wait, no. Let's finish travel to Plain Stock.
Dude, I'm getting my Lamborghini.
Alright, well then, come to me where I am at the Plain Stock so we can get some pretty good clothes.
Oh, wait, okay, we'll stay right there.
I will. I'm still teleporting there, so.
But dude, where? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're teleporting. Dude, just tell me like when you're done. Dude, guys. By the way, this Lamborghini is like so sick. And guys, you should get Watch Dogs. It's like a really good game. Okay, I'm coming to you, John.
Okay.
Right here. Sorry if I'm driving crazy, guys, but it doesn't even matter because you can get you can get a Lamborghini on it, and it doesn't even matter, and it's free. Wait, you got one too?
I got a Lamborghini.
Yeah, I have a white one. Oh no. I almost crashed my Lamborghini. Sorry if I'm driving. Sorry if I'm driving like really slow. Oh dang it! Because I just don't really want to get it damaged, but I just did.
So now you just just drive fast.
Yeah, it doesn't even matter now.
Yeah, but Chris is a freak about his cars, so if I touch it, he's gonna get so mad.
Not if you just touch it. I mean,
Yeah, but like if I accidentally hit it.
okay, whatever. Dude, I was like over here at Plain Stock, and then you just moved.
I know.
Wow. John's a savage. Okay, I'll just come to you. 1 second, I don't want to get my thing damaged. Okay, let me go into Noodle Maps. Where are you? Oh. I just heard someone yell at me, and he said, "Stay on the road, Jesus."
Stay on the road?
Stay on the road?
Why would you need to stay on the road, guys?
I know, you can go anywhere. Okay. I'm very happy that my Elgato got set up. So I'm going very fast. Wait, are you at the what's it called?
I'm at Axel Noodle Shop.
Oh.
Hey, do you know, Greg calls himself a savage even though he does nothing?
I know. Okay, I'm here.
Hey, what's up? You like my outfit?
Yeah, it's nice.
I got the classic,
Did you see mine?
skinny jeans.
Look, I look very stupid. I'm actually gonna change, but I just want to park my car. Okay, just park it right here.
I'm just
Excellent parking.
gonna use a motorcycle because I think they're way faster.
Yeah, guys, let me know if you want to get a triple double the upload. Tell me if you want me to do the I can recreate the Odell catch. Why the hell are you coming in here with a motorcycle? I was just shopping, and then I just saw you come, and you just ran me over. Okay. What the hell? I can't even shop. Stop it. And by the way, guys, this is not going to as a video.
Yeah. 6 rocks at the mall. Best story. Except the enemies are cheap.
I'm sure. Dude, my guy was all the way over here. I'm just gonna say it. Okay, let's do a mission.
Wait for me because I gotta get out of here because I brought a motorcycle in.
No, why did I go into research? Dead sec. There we go. Wait, dude, I should have it. Okay, I just need to get the thing. Okay, this is a very far thing. Why is it not going? Okay, there we go. Follow me. I don't care about the Lamborghini. It has like scratches, so.
Okay. Don't blow me up, dude. Whoa. Dude, my motorbike's actually catching up pretty good.
And dude, I'm not doing as a long video as the Madden.
Oh!
I'll do it like 20 minutes.
Do like a 30-minute video.
25.
No, 30, because people like long videos.
I'm not sure.
Right, guys? You like longer videos? So we're gonna do guys longer videos.
I'll probably do 30, 25. That's it.
Well, actually, I think I'm gonna keep it going a little bit longer because this is actually my first watched video ever that's gonna be uploaded on YouTube. So yeah,
Really, dude?
I think I'm gonna keep this for about an hour long.
And everybody, Sundays suck because school is tomorrow.
Yeah, so.
And by the way, guys, I'm in 4th grade. I'm 10.
Me too. I'm in 4th grade. I'm 9 now. We're in the same grade. He's only older than me because he was born a few months earlier than me. So,
I have a very early birthday.
Oh, you're putting the 10-year-old boy in 5th grade. I'm not, he's literally a few, like 3 months older than me.
I know. Dude! That guy is going like so slow.
I'm using my turbo boost and I'm nowhere near you.
I'm not even using turbo.
Yeah, could you wait for me, dude? I'm so far behind you.
Okay.
I thought you said you were gonna wait.
I am.
You're driving. I can see you.
I'm not driving. And dude, you're closer.
Hey, you're driving.
How am I driving?
Oh yeah, don't play around with rat speed route.
All right, so Bobo takes finally.
Your car is literally moving.
I know, because I'm trying to fix my headphone.
Busy man. So what we got for you right now?
My headphones. Okay, one second. I need to stop.
Just an itty bitty of what went down during our historical session right here on.
Okay. I just got like my glasses stuck on my headphones, so it kind of hurt.
Oh my god.
What's her name?
I have been ducking. Just been busy, you know? Show last
We're only like 200 miles away.
up.
Okay, well that's good.
Had to do it right for my fans.
Dude, this should be our house right here.
Oh,
Want to give
wait,
back to them
hold on.
special. An experience
Oh,
that
that could be a nice house. Yeah, let's check it out with the
I
thing.
know you like to work from home.
Hey,
And dude, it's not even a restricted area.
okay, so this maybe.
And dude, you can go in.
Wait, you can go in it.
Yes. Dude, yes, this is our house.
This is our freaking house. This is ours.
Yep, this is ours. Is this a freaking disco ball?
Wait, is it?
I'm
Oh
not
my
sure.
god, I think it is. Wait, dude, you can even open this.
Wait, what?
You can open the blinds
You can open the blinds?
and close them. Yeah, that's so pretty cool.
That's
Alright,
awesome.
well, first we just gotta figure out all people in here then.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Wait, what's that sound?
What sound?
It's just a, oh, you're shooting.
Yeah, because we have to clear out the old people. Okay, well now this is our house.
Exactly.
Oh, you see that? Wait, you know what? Let me just get in. Let me just get in your car.
Well, the thing is right over here.
Well, don't start it, because I will see if like your car. So I
Mhm.
see it. It's like freaking trying to invite me to his party.
Okay, I'm starting the mission.
Wait. Okay.
Start. Okay.
Yeah.
You're uploading too, right?
Yeah. Well, I haven't uploaded yet.
Oh, I mean, no, not that, but
Deal.
Here, get in the car so we can just get there faster.
how about get on the car? Oh, yeah. Dude, you just missed it. I'm going in guns blazing. Actually, no, I'm not doing that. Let's be sneaky. No. Oh. Okay, I should take out my geoday rifle.
Oh no, someone's
No,
calling
no.
reinforcement. Oh my god, there's a dog here.
No. No. That's stupid dog. Unbelievable. Oh my god. Oh, you really want to shoot, huh? There's probably a guard up here.
Oh no, my God!
You died?
With the San Francisco police.
How did you die? Okay, I just need to get ready. Let's go! Come on.
Wait, this is our house, remember?
No, this is a different one.
It is?
Yeah. The one was across the street.
Right around here.
Ooh, there's... Okay, I got... What is it called? The bloom thing. No!
Oh, good.
You're welcome. I'm about to die.
Well, I'm gonna help you as much as I can.
Okay, I just escaped the grenade. And guys, if my Madden video go up, that's fine because I'm doing this, so. It probably went up though. If it didn't, that's fine because I'm uploading this video.
Now we have to find and locate the prisoner.
It's probably in one of the cages, duh. Oh, found it.
Wait, we have to take a picture. We have to take a picture with him. So don't untie him just yet. We have to take a picture with him. No, why'd you untie him?
I didn't untie him.
I took a picture.
I took a picture.
I free him. I got it.
Give him a gun.
Go. Yeah, I gave him a gun.
Okay, now we just need to leave the area.
But quickly, because there's guys right here, and we have no one on us. So if we can get out of here.
Dude, I'm out already. I'm out of that place.
Oh, I'm out. Wait, dude, there's a new Lamborghini, a white Lamborghini right here.
It doesn't even matter. It was probably yours, but it just probably like despawned. And then it. Okay, you need to leave the area.
Okay.
I did already.
Let me leave the area.
Okay, so guys, I just left the area. So that's good. Dude, let's do another mission.
Yeah, that was pretty fun.
That was pretty easy. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Get it, bro.
Dude, I'm level 15. Wait, do another mission.
Well, I'm level 14. I'm doing another mission.
Yeah, do another mission. And guys, write in the comment below if my audio is good. And I just freaking fell. Hey! Dude! Stop it. I'll go this thing on fire.
How?
I'll just shoot it. Should I start dancing?
Yes.
Well, you need to drive fine. You can't drive crazy. There we go. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
First, you look so weird.
I know. I'm wearing an invite cardigan.
I completely went the wrong way. Wow.
Very sad.
Turns out we were supposed to go down here.
One second.
Oh, savage! He got back in his car.
Checking it.
Okay, well, it's right here. I slided down it.
I'll start the mission.
No, it usually glitches. Okay, I did it. Dun dun dun.
Hey, I guess it didn't glitch this time. What do you know?
Okay,
Alright, guys,
steal the encrypted drives.
Like, you, like,
Savage. No!
oh! Wait, no, let me in. Hey!
Dude!
You could have let me in, so...
I was about to blow it up for you.
Yeah, well...
Okay.
Oh, I'm taking the squad in there, yo.
Dude, really? Okay, just watch him do this stupid thing. Dude, you need to be sneaky.
What's up?
Alright, you know what? Screw it.
This freaking dog. I'm dead.
Not me.
I'm dead.
Dude, you died?
Yeah.
I'm about to die too. Actually, I'm not sure.
Behind you, behind you, behind you.
No, okay, I think I might be screwed.
Died?
Nope. I'm still being a boss. No, 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 no! Dude, he was... Oh my god. I was going through the encrypted drives and that girl was just like right there. Well, it's actually a boy, but... You respawned already, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Because then we don't need to, like, start over. Dude, I'm all the way over here.
Well, get back.
Oh. Okay, I just need to get a car. I'm total savage.
Get out.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're listening to
Here I come.
We just, no, we need to leave the area now.
Oh, you got all of it?
Yeah. I'm driving with quads. This way, your thing might be a little bit
I'm out.
faster.
Yeah. Let's go. Woo.
I got sealed.
Let's do one more mission.
I found a mission. Let me spawn in a fast car. Hey, wait for me, dude. Dude, wait for me.
Dude, just get on.
Wait for me, bro. I can't get on. I don't think I can get on. Stop backing up. Stop backing up.
Get in the front. You slipped right down. Okay, fine.
Wait! Leave my car in the bed. Hey!
Okay. Wait, I'll get this Jeep.
Now follow me. I know where this thing is.
Okay.
Wow, My Jeep's faster than your quad.
I know. Oh my god, I flipped over my thing. Sound like a witch.
Hi, Precious.
I try to blow up that guy.
Oh, wait,
Oh
back
my
up, back
god, my quad. Wait, I need to get on yours.
Oh, well, I flipped my car. Okay, I'm good.
Wait a minute. And really.
No, wait for me. No, wait, because it's on like a different island apparently. So.
Dude, I'm not even here.
Hey!
I think I need to tell.
I kind of crashed my car in the water.
How?
I don't know.
We need to go to Alcatraz. How are we supposed to get there?
Get a different mission.
No, let's swim, because this is the closest mission.
No, thank you. I'm getting a different one.
there. I'm swimming to Alcatraz.
Ugh. I'm not swimming. I'm doing a different mission.
Well, let me teleport to you. Are you gonna go to Alcatraz?
No, I'm not going.
Here, I got this like van, truck.
I got a fast car.
Okay.
Dude!
So yeah, guys, see that's what happens. Your score's glitched out. Don't get it. It's glitched out.
Who shapes the future?
We get in this car, bro.
I'm going over here.
A student, unemployed, an immigrant, or a seasoned veteran.
Let's see if there's like a club.
Job and Resource Fair is a great place to find a new career.
Wait, what?
CTOS.
Let's see if there's like a bar or something. Because like it's night. You
Yeah.
should would.
Job and Resource Fair at the county.
No, I'm doing a mission.
Sponsored by Bloom Industries. Remember to dress to impress. This may be the first day of your next best job.
I'm going very fast.
Dude!
How my lips looking, girl? 'Cause I have my whole face in this salad. Better get those Invisaligns out before you speak to people in the back. You lucky you don't need these additional measures. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to get my grill right. You're never too old to get yourself a ring.
It's pretty far away.
'Cause it sounds like it.
Dude, stop!
I'm just
The hell is your problem?
age, right?
Yo, you're on video.
Feel all right about getting that grill right.
I know, I just said, what the hell is your problem?
You make it sound
Are
like
you
I'm
drunk?
26ers up in my
I'm just a way better driver than you.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Oh my god, you have to go see this. Oh, you have to see this. You have to see this. I just got a dead body in my trunk.
Responses and all of
Wait, stop the car.
Wait, what?
on over to our page on
Oh my god, we need to bring it.
those of you who complained, we heard you. We're still trying to figure out who used
Well, make sure it does not hit me.
DedSec. But it is not the station's policy to support specific agendas.
I'm using turbo. This car is so slow. Oh, motorcycle. No, come back. Come back.
Come on, let's get in.
I need to come with you. I'll sit with the dead body.
Yes, sit with the dead body.
Okay. I'm literally like standing on them. Well, now I'm not.
I'm so glad I got this pickup truck because it's so freaking heavy duty.
Dude, you suck at driving.
Okay. Hey, but the body's still in.
Exactly. Dude!
You got out.
You know what? I would rather take a bike.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, thanks. Now I'm gonna get a smoking bike. Oh wait, it's on fire. Oh, that's even great. I mean, that's greater. Stop! Oh my God.
I'm the worst driver ever, guys.
You are. You earned that. You exploded my car up.
There's a body in there.
No, no, no. I'm getting it first. No, no, no. Woo!
No!
Please.
Stop allowing! That is a dirt bike anyway, so it's not even fast.
Peace out.
Oh! I'm in a super SUV, dude! I'm like telling you. Yeah, you think you can speed away from me? You can't! Oh!
I chewed your butt out.
Hey! Hey!
Hey, hey. You sound like a baby. Hey, hey.
Bro, come back! I thought we were friends. Oh my god, no! Stop! This is a freaking sport car!
Dude, I've been doing it for 32 minutes already. So after this mission, it's done.
So what is up, guys? I know why I said that. Alright, it's one of those under the bridge missions that I hate. Alright, let's just get it over with. Hey, my green bike! Your green bike!
What?
Look, your green bike is right here.
So,
And this SUV is...
locate the prisoner.
What? I don't feel like doing this mission. I hate it. Oh, I got an Intel access key, yay.
Nice. Dude, do you want to do a triple upload? Do you want to do like Minecraft?
Yeah, you have Minecraft?
Yeah, I got it for my birthday.
Oh, that's just pretty awesome world that we can do.
Yeah, probably. But we should like wait a little. And we need to do this video. We need to upload it first.
So we could literally just keep it safe and record double videos.
No. We should upload it. So, yeah, guys. Taken out by the master. And by the way, guys, I'm really good at shooting. So,
I'm dying, help.
Oh, you see all that kale? I mean, saw that? Dude, I died! I jumped off! I'm sweating in this, I'm sweating in the sweatshirt.
Why are there so many guys?
Don't ask me. Okay, I'm loading. Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, I cleared out the spot.
Where's the prisoner? Where's the prisoner?
I don't know, we have to locate him. I guarantee he's up here somewhere, though. Alright, guys, we're gonna locate this prisoner. Why'd you shoot?
Because there's like live people. Where's the prisoner?
I don't know who he is.
You know what, guys? I'm gonna end this video here because it's going very long. But we're gonna do a triple upload with Minecraft. So see you later. Peace out.
Yeah.